change your heart to a star. But it really doesn't matter at all. No, it really doesn't matter at all. Life's a guess. I could have built a house in the ocean. I could have placed our love in the sky. But it really doesn't matter at all. No, it really doesn't matter at all. Life's a guess. I could have turned you into a princess. I could have burned your faith in the sand. But it really doesn't matter at all. No, it really doesn't matter at all. Life's a guess. No, it really doesn't matter at all. No, it really doesn't matter at all. Life's a guess. And I hope it's going to last. Well, how do they pluckers? I'll have a saw things again. Well, an oldie but oldie, a classic song from T-Rex, of course, and a song called Life's a Gas. Okay. Apologies for the singing as usual, just for reference. Okay, standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as T-Rex. Okay, so starting off with the G chord. Okay, and a simple G chord, whichever one you want to play, whichever format. Okay, so we've also a couple of strums. Then you play this riff which goes all the way through the song. What I'm doing for that is a slide from 2 to 4 on the 4th string, then back to 2 on the 4, open 4th, 2nd on the 5th, open 5th, G. So once again, slide from 2 to 4. We don't have to do a slide, but I like to do a slide. So I was a slide from 2 to 4 on the 4th string will just hit the 4th fret of the 4th string, whichever you want to do. Then the 2nd on the 4th, open 4th, 2nd on the 5th, open 5th, bottom E string, 3rd fret, G chord. Okay, and that's how I started with 2 of those. Okay, here we go. I could have loved you good like a planet riff. G. I could have changed your heart to a star is D. And then there's a very quick suspension, pinky up to the top E string on the 3rd fret, back to D. Okay, so it's I could have changed your heart to a star. Sort of thing. Then there's very quick run down to A minor, 3rd on the 5th, 2nd on the 5th, A minor, and that's that. But it really got that. So from the beginning, let's start from the beginning again. I could have loved good like a planet. I could have changed your heart to a star. But it really doesn't matter at all. Is a D7. You could play a D. I think it's a D7. Okay, whichever. Played both. Pick which one you like best. A D or a D7. I prefer the D7. Okay, so it's it really doesn't matter at all. Repeat the rundown. No, it A minor again. really doesn't matter. D7 at all. Life's a cheek as intro. Twice. Next verse. I could have built a house in the ocean. I could have placed our love in the sky. But it really doesn't matter at all. No, it really doesn't matter at all. Life's a guess. Again, riff, couple of riffs. Last verse. I could have turned you into a princess. I could have burned your face in the sand. But it really doesn't matter at all. No, it really doesn't matter at all. Life's a guess. Riff. Repeat the last two lines. But it really doesn't matter at all. No, it really doesn't matter at all. Life's a guess, and I hope it's gonna last. And it just finishes off with that, okay? So you come out of two lots of the chorus sort of thing. But it really doesn't matter at all. No, it really doesn't matter at all. Life's a guess. But it really doesn't matter at all. No, it really doesn't matter at all. Life's a guess, and I hope it's gonna last. And that little bit on the end just mimics the actual melody. It's the second on the fifth, and open fourth, second on the fourth, open fourth, second on the fifth, open fifth, G. Second on the fifth, open fourth, second on the fourth, open fourth, second on the fifth, open fifth, G. And I hope it's gonna last. And there you have it, boys and girls. A nice simple one for a change. Really easy, very simple chords, and a very simple song altogether. Just verses and a bit of chorus 3 times, okay? Doubling up on the last chorus 2 times at the end, and the final line there. So have it, fun with that, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.